Okay, so first of all, hello everyone. This is Gonzalo Gil from Tekniker. That for those of you that do not know about Tekniker, this is a research and development center that is located in the north of Spain. So just some general numbers of Tekniker. Well, first of all, we are a technological center, so we are a non-profit private foundation that we have been working on applied research since 1998, with the aim of contributing to the companies of our ecosystem with innovation that can be implemented in their goals, in their focus, mainly in manufacturing and materials domains. So as you may see in this slide, we work on different domains. And in particular, when we talk about data spaces, is more connected with the ICT's research areas in which I'm involved. So going a little bit deep into what we have done so far in the data space field. So we have been a member of IDSA from 2018. We start working in different projects with the first connectors that were developed from Fraunhofer EST, the Data Space Connector, and also from engineering, the True Connector. And we start being member of Gaia-X in 2021. So once we started working with the connectors, we also deploy our first minimum viable data space that we present with IDSA in the IoT Solutions World Congress. This project itself was connected with the energy domain. However, we have been working on other domains such as manufacturing and health. And talking about the last year, I am an IDSA ambassador, and we in Tekniker have been working on not only the definition of the data space protocol, but also the implementation on our own data space connector that is called the Tekniker Data Space Connector. And in order to follow the improvements in the data space protocol and also to be aligned with it, we started this year being part of the Eclipse Foundation. So as I have already said, we started working on the definition of the data space protocol when it was defined by IDSA, and now we are working on the implementation of this protocol that is now being defined with the Eclipse Foundation in our own Tekniker Data Space Connector. So just to provide you with some general details of our connector, this is a modular connector that we have developed from scratch in order to enable any company to start sharing data, either if they are a data provider or a data consumer. So in order to do that, we provide them with a user interface so that they can start working on the data space in a user-friendly manner. But behind this user interface, we have different components in order to enable the end user to manage the different metadata that is used by the connector in the operation. We have implemented the Data Space Protocol 2025 in order to ensure that seamless data sharing, and then we have implemented some data planes in order to share data between different data sources and to different processing tools. So having said that, the Data Space Connector is already published in the Data Space Support Center toolbooks. That means that we have passed the validation scheme. So you can get some more details in the Data Space Support Center webpage. And as a result, we have presented this Data Space Connector as part of the Data Space Symposium in 2025 in Warsaw in the last weeks. Just providing some details of what the user will see about how can he or she use the connector. And just to finish, this connector has been implemented in several domains, in several European projects in order to enable data sharing for the construction sector, the manufacturing sector, and also a mobility data space and some circularity projects. So having said that, and in the context that we are now developing this data space connector, where we have developed this data space connector, our main interest in the Eclipse Dataspace Working Group is first of all to contribute to the dataspace protocol and the decentralized space protocol, and also to implement it in our own dataspace connector. Also to contribute to the TCK and to validate our connector against this TCK in order to be aligned with the standards. And finally, but not least, to boost the large adoption of the protocols in different data spaces through our own dataspace connector. So this is all from my side. Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, please go ahead.
Thank you.
I have a question, actually. Yeah,
Yes,
Christoph Sonadl from Gaia-X. Did you also implement a wallet in your dataspace connector? So an entity, a component which is holding all the credentials?
In the first version of the connector, that is the one that I have already presented to you in the architecture, it is not considered the wallet, but we are already implemented a wallet following the OpenID for verifiable credentials and also the decentralized place protocol. So it is in the roadmap.
Thanks.